Hey, what's up everyone? Aubrey Trades here, and welcome to another pre-market watch list. Going over some top gainers for the day and potential trade ideas. I'm not gonna lie, it's kinda boring out there today. SPY gapping up as we anticipated from futures trading yesterday. And VIX is kind of hanging around here at that 2370s support line. So definitely going to keep an eye on those first 10-20 minutes of the day, see how it reacts to these key levels here at 463. That's where we rejected yesterday. And I'll probably play SPY weekly calls on the other account based off those key levels, since I tend to have better luck with those anyway. Top gainers, not a whole lot that's interesting. I think the best idea is probably OP, day 2 IPO. Can play the break to new highs over 12, kind of hanging around this ascending support line here. So if you're, if I was a more adventurous man, I'd probably put a starter here and then risk the break of the support line. SLHG, gross bearish daily chart, a bunch of overhead resistance here. ARDX, another one, bearish chart. You got some overhead resistance in the 160s, again at 221. So I probably, I'd probably look to play this over the 160s for that 221, but not the worst, but I'm probably gonna play it a little bit safer. ALV here, same thing, bearish chart. You got some resistance here in the 712s or the 7s, which is right where it topped out, and it's just been kind of like dying. VBiz, yeah, same thing. A lot of overhead resistance there. So of the gainer scans, OP is probably the only one that I really like. Looking at ISBC, some of the recent runners, nice descending support, nice descending, pattern here. Consolidation, kind of found this bottom yesterday, hanging around there today. So keep an eye. If that wants to rotate up, you can probably catch a bounce into the 18, 19, 20 range on that. BFRI is kind of doing a similar thing. Found a bottom at this support line that we drew from day 1. Now putting up a higher low in the pre-market, which means we might be able to see some kind of spike up into this 7s range. Again, don't get that excited. Manage expectations appropriately if you're going to take those ideas. I don't know. PPSI is another one from yesterday. You got this sort of action going, but it's kind of breaking down underneath this line right now. So I don't know. I feel like if it was going to do it, it was going to do it yesterday. But I don't know if it can get back into the 960s, the 10s, then I'd be interested in maybe taking a stab at it, even though I got wrecked yesterday. So, but overall, I'm probably gonna try and take it a little bit easy, be a little bit more conservative after yesterday's disaster. Lucid, another one. This is like a bigger like swing idea. Breakout, over 55 back into the 60 zone. That's and then XPEV is another one. New multi-month highs on better than expected deliveries. So you could, look to get long on some pullbacks here in the 55 range and see what that wants to do. That's probably everything I got as far as trade ideas for the day. So stay safe out there. Again, it doesn't look that great. So, my key is try real hard not to overtrade, take it easy. Nothing's really screaming the best setup. Probably looking at OP if I'm gonna, do something. But anyway, that's all I got. If you got value out of this video, please hit the like button, consider subscribing, and let me know in the comments down below what other types of content you want to see from this channel. Thanks again. I'm Aubrey Trades. See you in the next video.